So now we're standing with one of our most popular designs, the Camille Swivel Lounge Chair. And this one presented an incredible challenge for us because of the pattern that's on the fabric. So as I mentioned in the segment where I was talking about pattern cutting and pattern match, here's an example of a chair that has a curve to it, that has a tree of life fabric pattern on it, which means it goes up and down the bolt, which means that usually you can only get one cut out of the middle of the bolt of fabric. So when you have to do that, you have to be very, very particular and careful as to how and where you cut. And then when you have a piece that's curving around, it makes it even more complicated and difficult to get a perfect pattern match. So when you do have a curve like that, you'll typically get one point on the chair that ends up having the fabric match. The rest of it then flows with the curve of the piece. So here you can see where we have the fabric slightly put in to make sure that we get the match coming up on the front of the arm here. And then he has it pinned by hand. And then he's going through in the background, which you can see there, and getting the fabric folded over and pressed properly right into the piece to make sure that we have a great match of the fabric in as many places as possible around the chair.